Clearing the fog. Demonstrative adjectives versus demonstrative pronouns. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into a topic that causes quite a bit of confusion. Demonstrative adjectives versus demonstrative pronouns. They might look the same, but they play very different roles in sentences. Let's clear up the confusion, shall we? Before we delve into the common mistakes, let's first understand what demonstrative adjectives are. A demonstrative adjective is a word that modifies a noun by identifying it as specific or particular. These are our trusty words: this, that, these, and those. For example, this cake is delicious, or those flowers are beautiful. Notice how this and those are modifying or pointing out specific nouns, the cake and the flowers. Now, let's move on to demonstrative pronouns. These are the exact same words: this, that, these, and those. But they are used differently. They replace or stand for a noun or a noun phrase. For example, this is delicious, or those are beautiful. Here, this and those aren't modifying anything. They're standing in for the nouns we're talking about. The main confusion arises because demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns use the same words. The difference lies not in the words themselves, but how they are used in a sentence. Remember, when this, that, these, and those are modifying a noun, they are demonstrative adjectives. But when they are replacing or standing for a noun or noun phrase, they are demonstrative pronouns. A common mistake is to use a demonstrative adjective where a pronoun is needed, and vice versa. For example, incorrect: this is a delicious cake. Correct: this cake is delicious. In the incorrect sentence, this is used as a pronoun, but it's followed by the noun cake. The corrected sentence properly uses this as a demonstrative adjective. I hope this video has helped clear up some of the confusion around demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns. Remember, it's all about how you use this, that, these, and those in a sentence. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be able to spot the difference with ease. As always, happy learning, and see you in our next video.